If you have hair loss like me, this video is for you. This mask is one of the best natural masks to strengthen hair. Let's get rid of hair loss. A spoonful of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has many antioxidants and prevents many skin diseases. Add a little less than a teaspoon of lemon juice. A spoonful of olive oil. Olive oil has antioxidants that stimulate hair growth. A spoonful of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains vitamin E, which is one of the most important and essential vitamins in the body. 1 egg. Hair is made up of protein and eggs are high in protein. Now mix with a fork to prepare the mask. When the mask becomes jelly, it is ready to use. Making and using this mask is very easy and convenient, but there are some important points that I will tell you in the video. I suggest using gloves to use the mask, but it can also be done with your fingers. Remove some of the hair mask and apply it on the scalp and hair by hand. Now it's time to massage the head with a finger. Just massage your head with your fingers. Like me, massage your hair in a circular and linear manner. This mask is very useful for both your health and your skin because it is natural. You can help us a lot with a simple click, so please like the video. Thanks for your help. I promise to make up for it with my best training. Excellent. Now wait 10 minutes and then wash your hair with cold water and mild shampoo. Let's see the result. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. My hair is so fine that I feel like I just keratinized. I suggest you try this hair mask if you have hair loss. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.